Hello student, in this video we are going to be familiar with the second year distance mode MBA admission process, especially for ATKT student, that means allowed to keep term category students. This is your home page of browser. Search Uni Shivaji. Click on this link, you will find the home page of Shivaji University Kolhapur web portal. Scroll it down, click on web apps, scroll down, and this is student only for distance mode. Click on distance student examination form. I will enter my PRN number as and password as 126. I will click on login. Remember once again student, we are demonstrating our video for ATKT student. These are the tabs. First of all, click on enrollment for second year, because ATKT candidate has to proceed with two sub processes. First is admission to the second year, and second process is registration for repeater to clear remaining subjects of first year MBA. So let's proceed further with enrollment for second year. Click here. This candidate has to, suppose I want to take admission for second year MBA with elective as marketing and human resource management. Ultimately, semester 4 will be filled automatically with the same electives and compulsory subject. I will be print this form first. I will save it to the system. That form will look like this. Again, I will go back by clicking on home page and will complete a second process for enrollment for repeater. I will click on this enrollment for repeater tab. These are the two subjects. You have to select it again, and later on you will be find automatically those subjects you have remaining as a backlog from your first year. This will automatically appear on your screen. You just have to click on edit button and tick on that subject to finalize. Later I will submit this form. You will find another form generated for the repeater purpose. Similar process as that of enrollment for second or third year case. Enrollment for second year, just we have recently seen. Same process we have to complete for enrollment for repeater and submit here. You will be generated another form which will be comprehensive in nature. That means That application form will include your all the semester 3 subject, semester 4 subject along with your backlog subject. That form you have to bring to submit at your study center along with pasting your recent passport size photograph and signature below it at the bottom of your admission form. So the report generated after enrollment for second year as well as enrollment for repeater, the final report only you have to take out the print and try to paste your recent passport size photograph and sign at the bottom of your form. Now next stage is I will log out from here. Don't pay from here. I will log out from this system and will again visit to the home page of Shivaji University Kolhapur. I will click on online receipt portal. If you have not registered for this register portal, click here to register. Otherwise, if you have already registered, enter your username. I have kept my username as my PRN. And my password. This page you will find, click on campus student. Don't select distance student, click on campus student. Purpose is MBA First of all, you have to select purpose as tuition fee. Type tuition fees. Select department as Center for Distance and Online Education. Challenge structure you have to select here MBA. Option as MBA Executive and MBA Distance Mode same 3 and 4. You will find all this tab based upon your repeater value. You have to remodify your exam fee here. Click on this exam fee tab and enter here the additional amount of 375 because this is the additional payment of your repeated subject. $1865 and you have to make Avishkar fee as a 0. You will find the final figure as 24,800. Here you have to type here particular as admission to second year MBA with 80 KT. Aggregator bank you have to select Axis Bank and save and proceed to pay. Here actually one payment has been already done, so system will not allow duplicate payment. You will find here the Axis Bank payment gateway and you have to proceed further. Later the finally admission form including all the fresh subject as well as repeater subject with color recent passport size photograph and your signature, that admission form along with payment receipt and your last semester result sheet, computer generated result sheet. These 3 documents you have to submit it to your study center. Thank you.